Hey everyone, are you ready to start making money? I'm your expert guide in binary trading. Visit my website binarytradingexpert.com. Scroll down and click on the Telegram icon to join my channel. I provide daily free trading signals that have helped many people achieve huge profits. Check out some of the amazing reviews from my satisfied members. If you're serious about earning, message me on Telegram at bbinarysupport. You can also connect with me on Instagram. Just click on the Instagram icon and send me a message. But that's not all. I also host live trading sessions on YouTube, but I provide real-time signals and insights. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on these valuable sessions. Don't wait to start your journey to financial freedom. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on these valuable sessions. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you some compounding steps. I hope you're doing great. As you can see, I have $50 in my account. We'll be doing some compounding steps with just $50. My target is a huge $50,000. Let's see if we can achieve it or not. Okay, let's start by finding a trade on the OTC market because of the good payout and the solid trades available. I'll be trading on a 1-minute time frame. Alright, let's find a good trade on the OTC market. Here's a good one on Boeing Company OTC for an upside move. I took the trade because there's a strong support level here. Okay, let me show you. I think I took the trade a little bit early, but no problem. We just need one green candle. That's why I took this trade. Currently, the trade is going in our favor. Let me show you the support level here. You can see from the previous candles that the candles were taking support from this zone, and the current trade is also going in our favor. So let's see if we can win this trade. This is our first trade of the compounding session. Only 18 seconds left, and I think it's a win because it's a strong support level in my opinion. Let's see. Okay, just 5 seconds left. Yeah, it's a win. So our first step in compounding is complete. Now our balance has increased to $96 from $50. Let's find another trade on the 1-minute time frame. Alright, I found a trade for a downside move on Visa OTC. I placed a trade with $96 for the downside move because there's a strong resistance level and a pattern forming here. You can see a 5-candle pattern as well, which is why I took this trade. The trade is currently going in our favor. The candle reversed exactly when I entered, heading in our favor because of the strong resistance level and the candle patterns. There's also a clear pattern here, only 26 seconds left and the trade is still going in our favor. Let's see if we can win this trade or not. Since it's an OTC market, anything can happen. But the candle is moving back in our favor. Only a few seconds left, maybe 2 or 3. And it's another win. Our 2-step compounding is done. Now our balance has grown to $184 from $50. Let's find another trade on the OTC market for the 1-minute time frame. Okay, let's search for another trade. Tesla doesn't look good. We could try Twitter, but I don't think we should go for the downside move. Pfizer isn't a good trade. McDonald's doesn't look good either. Facebook doesn't have a good setup. Alright, Boeing, here we go. We have a trade for the upside move with the same pattern of 5 candles and the same support level that we used for the first step in compounding. As I mentioned in the previous trade, we just need one green candle, which is why I took this trade as well. We just need one green candle here. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor and there are only 30 seconds left. But let's see. Okay, it's reversing back. Nice. Let's see if we can win this trade or not. The trade is coming back in our favor. As I said, we just need one green candle and that red candle was a fake breakout. This green candle has come back into the zone, so it's a win. It's a huge win, a great win. Now, My balance has turned into $353 from $50. So let's see if we can achieve our $50,000 target or not. Let's find another trade on the OTC market. Okay, we found a trade on Cisco OTC for an upside move. I placed a trade of $353 for the upside move because of the moving average here. You can see a solid uptrend and a 5-candle pattern as well, along with some support levels. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. There's a lot of confirmation here, so I believe we should win this trade. It's a good trade. Only about 30 seconds left. Currently, the trade is going in our favor now, only 20 seconds left, but it does look like a bit of a risky trade. 13 seconds, 12 seconds, let's see. Only 8 seconds left, I think it's a win. Yes, it's a win. Only 2 or 1 second left, yes, it's a win. So now my balance has turned into $575 from $50. Alright, we've got another win. Let's find another trade. We won't stop here. Let's find another trade for this compounding session. This was a good trade for the downside move due to the continuation pattern, but the candle has already moved down. Alright, we found a trade for the downside move here, but it looks a little risky. Let's add some resistance levels. Okay, if this candle gives us an entry, we can try, but it doesn't look like a good trade. I don't want to lose the money I've made in this compounding session. So let's see if this candle will give us an entry. Then we might try on Johnson & Johnson OTC. Otherwise, we'll avoid it and find another trade in another market. Let's look for another trade in a different market. Okay, we have a 5-candle pattern here with support. We can try, but the candle movement isn't good. Alright, I placed a trade for $575 because I got a good entry. The support level was here, and I got a good entry as well. Let's see if we can win this trade because there's a candle pattern here too. The trade is currently going in our favor, sometimes yes, sometimes no. Only 35 seconds left. Let's see if we can win this trade or not. Right now, the trade isn't in our favor. Okay, it's coming back. Only 17 seconds left and the trade is back in our favor. Now only 10 seconds left. Let's see if we can win this trade. You can see a fake breakout here and the candle has come back into the zone. Only 3 seconds left and it's a huge win. My balance has now turned into $1,104. Let's find another trade on the OTC market. Can we find another trade on the OTC market for 1 minute? Let's see. So we've turned $50 into $1,104. That's a huge amount, but we won't stop here because I want to achieve my target. My target is $50,000 just by $50. Okay, let's see. Can we get a trade? There's a moving average trade, but I don't want to take it. There was a trade here, but the support level was too far, so we'll avoid it. The payout was also low. Okay, if this candle turns into a red candle, then we can try for an upside move, but let's avoid it and find another trade. Apple doesn't have a trade. Okay, is there any other asset? Let's find another asset. Nothing good on Facebook, Amazon, Alibaba. Not a good trade on Citigroup. Not a good trade on Pfizer. Not a good trade. I think we can try the next candle on Visa OTC, but it looks a bit risky. No good opportunities on Apple either. Alright, on Apple OTC, I'll place a trade of $1,104 for the upside move. There's a solid uptrend here supported by the moving average. That's why I took this trade for the upside move and I got a good entry below the moving average. The trade is currently in our favor. Let's see if we can win this trade or not. It looks like a risky trade, but I hope we win because I got a good entry below the moving average. And it's a solid uptrend. So let's see. Only 25 seconds left, and the trade is still in our favor. Yeah, 20 seconds left, 18 seconds left, and the trade is still in our favor. Let's see. 13 seconds, 12 seconds, 10 seconds, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, it's a win. We won this trade as well. And now my balance has increased to $2,120 from just $50. Okay, let's find another trade on the OTC market and double our amount. Okay, let's look for another trade for $2,120. Okay, let's see. Visa Johnson & Johnson looked like a trade for the downside move because it's near a resistance level, but it's risky, so let's avoid it. Visa, as I mentioned, we could try for a downside move, but the candle is already down, so let's avoid it. Let's find a trade on Tesla. Tesla seems like an option, but the resistance level is far. As you can see here, the resistance level is far away. If this candle were to give an entry, we could try, but it has already turned into a red candle, so we'll avoid it. The payout has also been reduced, so let's avoid this one. Okay, there was a good trade that we missed on Pfizer OTC. No problem. I don't think this candle will give us an entry now. Let's find another trade. McDonald OTC is not a good trade, but we could try. No, let's avoid it. No problem. Let's look for another trade on Citigroup. We have a trade on Citigroup, but let's avoid it for now. It's too far from the moving average. Cisco. Breakouts. Apple, not a good trade. Citigroup looks promising, but the candle is too far from the support level. Okay, if this candle gives us an entry at the moving average, we can try, but I don't think it will. The candle has already turned into a green candle. We missed this trade, no problem. Let's find another trade. McDonald. Still not a good trade. McDonald was not a good trade. But on McDonald, you can see there's a moving average trade, but I don't think we can go for the upside or downside here. It's a 50-50 trade. So I don't think this is a good trade. I think we can stop here with $2,120. No problem. I started with $50. Okay. Okay, let's find another trade if we can. Okay. Alibaba, not a good trade. McDonald, not a good trade. McDonald was not a good trade. But it looked like a trade. Avoid it. Okay, no problem. Boeing Company OTC, no. Citigroup. We have a trade here. Yes, we have a great trade here, and we got a good entry as well for the upside move. I'll place a trade worth $2,120 for the upside move on Citigroup OTC because there's strong support and a moving average as well. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. Let's see. We also got a good entry below the moving average. Let's see if we can win this trade. Only 40 seconds left, maybe 35 to 40 seconds, so let's see if we can win this trade. Just 25 seconds left until this candle closes. We just need this candle to be green to win. So, let's see. Only 10 seconds left. The trade is currently in our favor. Okay, it's a win. My balance is now $4,071 from just $50. Let's see if we can find another trade to double our amount. Okay, let's look for another trade in the OTC market. Okay, the payout is low, so we'll unfavorite this asset. Okay, Tesla, I think we have a trade if this candle gives an entry, but it already turned into a green candle. So let's avoid it. If this candle had given an entry, we could try, but let's avoid it. No problem. Pfizer OTC, avoid. McDonald OTC, avoid. Boeing OTC, no. Apple OTC, not a good trade. American OTC, we could try for the downside move because there's good resistance, but it's too far. Let's avoid it. Okay, let's find another trade in the OTC market. Okay, we have a trade for the upside move on Citigroup OTC. Yes, we have a trade for the upside move on Citigroup OTC because there's good support and a moving average. So, let's see. Can we win this trade? I placed a trade worth $4,071 for the upside move. Let's see. The trade is currently in our favor, sometimes not. But right now, it's in our favor. Let's see. Only 2 seconds left, and I think it's a win. Yes, it's a win. My balance is now $7,816 from just $50. Okay, let's find another trade in the OTC market to double our amount. Pfizer, I think we could try, but it doesn't look like a good trade. We took this trade and it turned into a red candle, so we can avoid it. Not a good trade here. This one's also not a good trade. Apple OTC, not a good trade. Tesla, no. Alibaba, no. Pfizer OTC, we could try, but we'll take a trade a bit later. Boeing Company, not a good trade. No, yeah, it turned into green. Okay, I took a trade for the downside move on Boeing Company OTC worth $7,816 because of the resistance level, the moving average, and a solid downtrend. That's why I took this trade. Currently, the trade isn't in our favor, but no problem. Let's see if we can win this trade. It was a bit of an error, but let's see. It's falling quickly, so let's see. I think we can win this trade. Only 20 or 30 seconds left. Okay, only 14 seconds left. Let's see if we can win this trade. 8 seconds left. I think it's a win. Yes. Okay, it's a win. So now our balance is $15,007, up from just $50. However, we are still quite far from our target of $50,000. But we're not too far off, we just need 2 more trades to reach our target. No problem. Let's find another trade for $15,000. Okay, this time I need to make a solid trade. I placed a trade on Boeing Company OTC for a downside move worth $15,700 using the same logic because of the support level, the downtrend, and the 5 candles we see here. That's why I took this trade. I know I entered a bit late, which means it was a bad entry, but let's see how it goes. Right now, the trade is not in our favor with only 30 seconds left. Now, it's starting to go in our favor. Let's see, I just need this red candle to be a strong one. I need this red candle to close as a big candle. Currently, the trade is not in our favor, and only 12 seconds are left. It's looking risky with 10 seconds left. Boom, it's a win. Wow, it's a win. Our balance is now $28,663. So I'll place a trade for $20,000. I don't want to risk too much, so I'll place a trade on Intel OTC worth $20,000 for the first trade, and the second trade for $8,663 for the downside move. as there's a strong resistance level here. That's why I took this trade for the downside move, and you can see a small doji as well. It's a good confirmation candle. Let's see. Right now, the trade is not in our favor, but no problem. I think this will work out. We should win this trade. If we do, we'll reach our target of $50,000. Currently, the trade is going back and forth in our favor. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I think this candle will turn into a red one. Yes, we won our first trade. And yes, we won the second trade as well. Our balance is now $53,886. We reached our target. We started with just $50 and made $53,000 from that initial $50. That's a huge accomplishment. I know it's a significant amount, but if you trade with proper money management and good psychology, you can achieve this too. However, you have to work on your psychology as well. I was fully prepared to lose my initial $50. I just wanted to do compounding, and that's why I took these trades. I saw a trade on Alibaba, but I avoided it because I didn't want to lose my profits. So I'll take one more risk to reach $100,000. I placed 2 trades worth $20,000 each for an upside move on Tesla OTC, and right now the trade is not in our favor. So let's see if we can win this trade. We still have some time left. I don't want to lose the money I made from just $50. That's why I didn't risk a huge amount. I only risked $40,000. So let's see if we can win this trade or not. Currently, the trade is in our favor with only 10 to 15 seconds left. I think it's a win. Maybe. Yes, I don't think we'll lose this trade. We just won another trade, another compounding win where I placed $40,000 for the upside move on Tesla OTC, and it's a win. It's a win, guys. So my balance is now $90,686, starting from just $50. I found another trade on Facebook OTC, but I don't want to put a huge amount. I placed just one trade this time. Okay. I'm placing one trade here because I only need $10,000 more to reach $100,000. However, I think this wasn't a good trade. The candle has already turned green. I just want to take one solid trade. If this candle gives an entry, we can try. Otherwise, no. Alright, let's find another trade. Here's an option, but it's already down. Not a good trade. I just want to make one good trade. Okay, I see another trade, but the payout is low. Let's look for something else. FedEx, not a good trade. Netflix, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, Netflix looks good. We can go for a downside move because there's a 5 candle pattern here and some resistance level too. I know this candle broke the pattern, but I still took this trade for the downside move. I only placed one trade because I need just $10,000 to reach my goal of $100,000. That's why I went with a $20,000 trade. Okay, I don't want to lose all my money. Right now, the trade is in our favor with only 21 seconds left. Let's see, I just need this candle to turn red to achieve my target. The trade wasn't going in our favor initially, but now it's turning around. Only a second or two left and it's a win. Yes, it's a win. Wow, it's a win, guys. We've achieved our target of $100,000. So now my balance is $109,086, all starting from just $50. This is a huge amount that I made from just $50. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a lot. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want more videos like this. If you want more informative videos, just let me know in the comments. Alright guys, bye bye. See you in the next video.